People from there, people from far, Caribbean people, wherever you are, people up north, people down south, people in the east, people in the west, Caribbean people, you are the best, so yes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Caribbean Ducks. Today is maintenance day, so I'm going to be cutting the grass, trimming up some trees. I'm out in the yard and it's very hot. So when I'm done here, I'm going to head back into the kitchen and show you guys a nice, delicious recipe. So stick around and I'll show you how you can make something delicious right in your own kitchen, right? So to all my fellow gardeners, this is so therapeutic for us, watching our plants growing new and exciting plants. And I enjoy growing my exotic fruits, and the reward is reaping the benefits from all the fruits that I grow. The season is over. What's up, YouTube family? Happy weekend. Hope everyone is doing great. It's a very hot and sunny day outside. I just finished doing some work, cutting the grass, and I'm about to do some barbecue, but I realized it's too hot out there for the barbecue, so I'm bringing it in. I got my wings all washed and clean. I'm gonna do some barbecue wings, but not your ordinary barbecue wings. I'm doing Char Sue Chinese style barbecue. So keep watching, guys, and you'll see exactly how I do this recipe so you can replicate it right in your own kitchen and have the same results. So before we move on, please hit that little button there that says subscribe and ring that little bell so you can get more recipe like this on Caribbean Ducks, right? And I appreciate you guys supporting my channel and helping it grow so I can get more confident in making more videos like this one for you guys. All right, so follow along and we're gonna do this together. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon of Chinese allspice. We're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of black peppercorn crush, that's black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, this is dark soy sauce. And keep in mind, I'm not adding any salt because some of these ingredients here contain salt as well. And we're gonna go in with 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce. 3. And 3 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. That's right, guys. This episode is brought to you by the number 3. Keeping it simple so you can follow along at home. 3. There it is. Now we're gonna need some sweet jam like apricot jam, or if you have plum jam, that'll work well. And we're gonna go in with a pinch of our food coloring to give it that nice vibrant red color that Char Sue have. And we're gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of water and mix everything until it's all dissolved and combined. And you want it at this consistency where it coats the spoon, just like that. We're gonna use 1/2 of this marinade onto our chicken, and we're gonna leave it to marinate in the refrigerator. I'm gonna do it for up to 4 hours. So we're gonna give it a good toss, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna cover it with some saran wrap and leave it to marinate. For best results, I recommend leaving it overnight, but I did it for 4 hours and it came out well. So after 4 hours, we take it out of the refrigerator and we're getting ready to put it on our grate. This is what it's looking like right now. It had absorbed some of those ingredients. And my advice to you, if you're cooking barbecue on a grate and you're putting it in your oven, fill your pan up with some water so it doesn't burn and it keeps everything nice and moist. So now I lay it out on my grate. And I'm gonna top it off with some more of that marinade. So as it cooks, it's gonna absorb that marinade and get all the flavor in. So now I pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna remove it. It's not done as yet. I'm gonna remove it while it's hot, and I'm gonna glaze it some more and flip it over to the other side and give it some more of that glaze. This is the same marinade that left over that I'm glazing with. I'm gonna go in with layers so it absorb and give it all that wonderful flavors. Glaze the other side of it, and then we're gonna pop it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna take it back out, give it another set of glaze. We're gonna do this a total of 4 times. We're gonna take it out every 15 minutes and give it another glaze. So after the last glaze, this is it, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Cooked to perfection. Smelling wonderful. So now we're ready to plate up with some fried rice that I just made, some avocado, and some nice delicious whirry pepper to go along with that. Here it is, guys. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Try it. Let me know if you like it. This is my Char Sue wing. It's cooked to perfection. And if you follow this recipe, the exact amount like I say, you will have wings just like this. This is your Char Sue wing barbecue. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. See you back on Caribbean Ducks for more recipes like this.